We are from SMK Taman Mak Austin.
Hai, saya Satya.
Hai, saya Punita Jyoti.
Hai, saya Angela.
Hi, saya Angeline.
My name is Omani and I am from class 3 Adil.
Hai, nama saya Mama Arif bin Abdullah.
We are facing a problem of which when teachers are using a projector whilst teaching in class, the overly bright sunlight causes conflict with the light in the LCD. The curtains used are also too short or thin. This in turn causes the student to be unable to see the display clearly. Therefore, we have a proposal to create a blind made from plastic which can be used to block out more sunlight from shining into the classroom, so that the sunlight won't obstruct the ongoing classes. These blinds are to be created from bottles and plastic stitched together only.